Hi students, welcome to VVGURU NEET Artificial Intelligence app. I hope the tips for NEET exam from our channel will be very useful for you. Our channel also publishing videos on question and answers on NEET subject wise. Watch the video and make use of them. In this video, we are going to see how to score 160 plus in physics in the NEET exam 2021. In physics, you have 45 questions for 180 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. So, follow the points and get 160 plus in physics. First thing is, prepare a study plan and timetable for physics. Schedule in the timetable the timing for preparation of theory. Second thing, study the full NCERT book and understand all the concepts. Third thing, in physics, practical and numerical questions are in majority and theory questions are less comparing to it. So practice daily 5 to 10 numerical questions and work out all the NCERT book back questions. Map the model of numerical and practical questions. In NEET physics, 80% of the questions are numerical and practical questions, 20% of the questions are theory based. So maintain a formula note for this. In that also includes essay units. Daily practice topic-wise, unit-wise numerical question. It will be easier for your coverage of whole syllabus. Don't forget to give equal importance to both theory and numerical questions and don't leave any units also. Fourth thing is, NCERT book with the study material is very important. Don't follow more than one study material. Have a best one. And don't shift from one book to another book in between. Don't use different books for different chapters also. Fifth thing is, practice MCQ by time target and also the previous year questions, especially last 5 year questions. VVGURU NEET app conducting mock tests for each unit, each subjects also. So you can use it for revising. Next point is, if you are going for coaching class, don't leave any test in coaching class. Practice, practice, practice. Make you perfect in facing NEET exam. The 7th point is, don't have fear to face your mock test and your NEET exam. Be confident on what you studied and what you know. Next thing, very important thing is, eat healthy and have sufficient sleep. And now it's your bumper tip. In physics, thermodynamics, optics, electrostatics, electronic devices, electromagnetic inductions and alternating current, dual nature of matter and radiation, magnetic effect of current and magnetism, work, energy and mass are the unit that gains more weightage. So study thoroughly and also don't leave any chapters. I hope the points will be very useful for you. Keep watching. All the best students.